Guys, in this video, I'm going to discuss about how to display list of all index for all tables in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So at here, first I'm going to write the query. So at here, let's write at here select a statement. So first I'm going to select at here. You can find DB ID, DB name. So going to select at here DB name. And here give the alias. So alias should be meaningful. So writing at here database and your name. Now here after going to use at this point, next going to write add your DB ID. So add here let's use database underscore ID. Now here after the next thing is, so add here going to or take tables. Okay, sorry, or database. So add here for from going to use from and here this. So says, and here if you press here, so here you can find all columns. There are so many bunch of things inside says. Now here after going to use add here index. So here you can find indexes. Okay. Now press enter. So here after index. Now here after going to write add here giving add here alias I and dx. Now here after the next thing is, so it will do some inner join operation. So at here writing inner join. So inner join and here sys. Here you can find or dot. Here you can find at here object. So object now here creating the object obj. Now here after let's write the rest of the query. So at here first going to use obj. Now if you press dot, so here you can find name. So writing at here name and here. So name of 4. So it's the name should be alias going to write at here schema name. Schema here after let's give name. Now comma. So obviously I used. Now next going to use at here I and dx. And here if you press dot, now here you can find name. So this is the index name. So going to write at here index underscore name. Now after writing index one more time I and dx one more time, if you press dot, now name is over. So writing at here type. So here you can use at here type. So if you select at here type, so everything that display on ascending order. So at here type now here. So this is index underscore type that will display. So here after the next thing is, so index ID that I already not taken. Okay, this is the DB ID. Now here after I'm going to choose index and here after dot, here you can find index ID. Index ID. So add here let's give meaningful name index underscore ID comma. Now index ID that over. So here this part has been over. So from says index index is the object. Now here after the next, so here uh, from sys.index. Now here after inner join. So inner join that I'm going to do on obj and indx. So add here let's use on clause and here indx. So if you press dot, here you can find object id of index. Okay, so it should be match. So add here obj and here object id of obj. So it should be match. Now here after on clause that over. Now here after inner joins once again inner join and here this and here press dot. So this and here as C, here you can find schema. and here, so creating the schema object sc. Now there I'm going to use on. Now here after obj, so if you press start, now here you can find schema id. Now here after, so it must be matched with schema. Here you can find schema id, and here to inner chain that completed. Now here after where clause, so intx. Now press dot, here you can find the name, so name going to use, and here so name should be not null. Okay, so for this going to write is not null, and here there should be an operator, and here obj, and here if you press dot, here type, and here u. Now here after order by, so obj press dot. Now here we can use name, and here one more things, and here indx. So if you press dot, here you can find type. So that's it, and here I'm getting the error because comma. No, there is no any error. So here after let's execute and check why I'm getting the error. Okay, let's execute and check first. So at here it's a displaying DB name and or DB ID in valid column name. Okay, one more thing. So we should write at here bracket, open and close bracket, and here open and close bracket. Now the error out. So here let's execute. So see at here database. So this item database it's selected. Now here database ID has 7, and inside database schema name or dpt, and here or tab index name, this is the index name, and here index or type 2616, index ID 2313, it's a display. Thing at here schema is not suitable at here, so we should write at here. Let's copy that one and paste it down. So at here it should be display at here object name. Okay, object, or you can write at here table name, and here going to use schema. Okay, so at here obj, so at here going to use sc dot name. So this will be display at here schema name. Now let's execute once again. So see at here, this is the schema name. It's the right output. Now here after database ID, and here table name, and here index name, use at here descending order DESC. So here let's execute once again. So see at here index tab. So now I'm getting the output. So at here when I was using at here index, so type, so I'm not getting the correct output. Index type, it's so simply displaying. So at here we need to use, to get correct output, we should use at here index underscore DESC. Now here after I'm getting the correct output. So index type, this is a non-cluster, and here this is the cluster, non-cluster, right output and getting. So this is the way we can get list of all index or in all table. So this is the table in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.